Okay, some of you have asked for a follow-up video 3 years later to see how well constructed my grill is. I've got a little fire going. It's Friday night, a couple days before Memorial Day, and there she goes. She's going to cook some chicken for us tonight. Let's take a walk around the grill and see what she looks like after a couple years. I'll show you one problem I have with it, and it comes from me using it and not the construction. Otherwise, the side looks good. There's some scrap wood I'm going to burn in a little bit. There's that cover up in the air, hinged or chained down so it doesn't go anywhere. For some who said the fire level was too low, that's probably accurate, but I wanted a ground level fire, something that would resemble a campfire, and this has been a perfect fit for 3 years. We walk over here. All those who said the blocks ought to be cemented, I didn't, and they still look good. They're still right on top of one another. The weight is keeping everything down. And let's look at an aerial view or overhead view. Look at that pretty fire. Now I have the fire over toward this side because I'm going to do some indirect cooking. I don't want to put everything right over the fire. I want to put it over to the right a little bit as well. Anyway, so that's what she looks like. Let me show you the only problem I have. There's a little cast iron container for wood chips. I'm not going to use that tonight. I'm going to use some oak and just let that burn. I was cutting up some oak with a hatchet one night, and I was hammering right on here, and that cracked that top block. That's the only block I've got trouble with. That's what, $2, $3, so I'm going to replace that. Anyway, when the food comes on, we'll show you some more clips. Okay, it's food time here. Here's the grill going. You can see it. I'm going to walk up to it. We put some chicken over to the left, a bunch of chicken thighs. There's corn on the shelf on the top. And I think there's Brussels sprouts in that aluminum foil container. Pretty fire, isn't it? Give us about 45 minutes. We're going to be inside eating, and I'll be thinking about you. Here she is right here. And also, thank you to everyone who watched my initial video 3 years ago that I put on. It just cracked 1 million views recently, and I am so delighted with that. So share this film of the follow-up. Go ahead and watch the first film where you can see how it's put together. But here's my grill. Here's a follow-up some of you asked about. 1 million views later, here she goes. Still working very hard for us. Take care. Bye.